What are the physical processes occurring on plate boundaries? Constructive boundaries are the plate boundaries that construct new land as a result of its parting apart from each other. The plate boundaries move apart from each other. They move away from each other through millions of years. As a result of this opening, magma is spewed out from down under, out into the surface. This happens for a very long time. Magma cools and condenses over time, and when it dries, it becomes crust or part of the surface. This process is continuing daily, causing the formation of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Over time, new land is being formed, as well as allowing the continents of North and South America to move further away from Europe and Africa. Destructive plate boundaries are where one plate subducts underneath another one. Commonly, this is where the heavier plate, the oceanic plate, such as the Pacific plate, subducts underneath the continental plate, such as the South American plate. At the subduction zone, where the two plates meet, there will be a build-up of friction and tension, which if released can cause the movement downward of the oceanic plate further, as well as causing earthquakes. The subduction can also cause buckling of the two plates, causing the formation of mountains, such as the Andes. As the oceanic plate continues to subduct over time due to increasing pressure and heat, it will begin to melt, resulting in the formation of magma. Typically, this will be stored in a magma chamber deep underground. Naturally, over time, the magma will begin to rise through cracks and fissures found within the continental plate, trying to find the quickest route to the surface to relieve the pressure below. In explosive volcanic eruptions, such as Mount Pinatubo, the magma has risen up through the mountain range until it hit the rock cap. As more and more magma rises, it can put extreme pressure and tension on the rock cap at the top of the mountain. Eventually, this pressure will be released, causing a volcanic eruption. The pressure is so great that the magma can change to volcanic ash, causing enormous ash clouds to form, which rise high into the Earth's stratosphere. Eventually, as the pressure below gives way, the ash cloud will collapse on itself, causing the formation of pyroclastic hot rock flow, which can travel up to 700 kilometers down a mountainside, with temperatures up to 300 degrees centigrade. Pyroclastic flows can cause devastating impacts on the natural physical environment over a large area. Conservative plate boundaries are the least destructive of the three. Here, two plates will move past each other in the same direction or opposite direction. An example of a conservative plate boundary is the San Andreas Fault, where the Pacific plate slides alongside the North American plate. It is important to remember that the Earth's crust is not a smooth surface, it is abrasive. Imagine rubbing two pieces of sandpaper together. The heat builds up and then the paper will start to rip as a consequence. This is a process that is happening between two plates that are trying to slide past each other. The rocks between them are jagged and get stuck, and causing friction and tension to build up between them. Eventually, when this is released, it causes release of energy known as an earthquake. In conclusion, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, as well as the formation of volcanoes through the millions of years, the results of the natural processes of nature because of the plate boundaries that lie beneath us.